Hi. This is Mr. Aslan, the landlord, and the time is 13:26, 26 minutes past 1 on Thursday, 1st of July 2021, and part 2 is here. And this is my carrot citrus or citrus carrot smoothie. It was a little too thick, so I've added 200 ml of ice water. The consistency is just right, so it's nice and thick, but not too thick. You want to give it a taste now? Very slight hint of ginger. It's not sweet, and also less hint of the grapefruit. So that's nice. It was pretty strong earlier when I used half a grapefruit. So today I use a quarter, so that's quite nice. Let's see. Carrot is pretty neutral. I can't taste it at all. No earthy taste of carrot either. And I've made about 1 liter. Each of these glasses are 400 ml. So I zapped it 4 auto cycles in my Kuvings vacuum blender. First time, of course, I used the vacuum, and the next 3 times I didn't have to vacuum it because it was already vacuumed. The reason why I did it 4 times was because I wanted to make sure it was nice and smooth. Didn't want any chunky bits. Okay. As I said, it's neutral. It wasn't sweet, so if you want it sweeter, put more than the 4 dates. I think I used 4 earlier. 3 Degletnor and 1 of those black dates. I can't find Mazafati dates this time of the year. I think it's very seasonal. It's very seasonal with the fasting month or Hari Raya, Ramadan and Shawwal. So I make do with whatever dates I could have. From experience, Degletnor tends to be a bit chewy. So if I do 1 auto cycle, I will get chewy bits in it. And also because I put carrot, half a carrot, I wanted to make sure it was completely smooth and became a smoothie. So that's it. I'm very pleased with this. Maybe if I do it tomorrow, I'll just put a little bit more dates to sweeten it up a bit. And maybe 3 slices of ginger just to give it a slight ginger taste. As I said earlier, I had to look for it, and it's in the background. It was very slight ginger taste. Okay. And I made 1 liter altogether. Okay, so see you next time. Bye.